In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages on Shopify. Whether you're building a new store or just looking to enhance an existing one, understanding how to add pages is crucial for providing more information to your visitors and creating a more complete online presence. First, start by directing your attention to the left-hand panel of your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, you will want to locate and click on the Online Store section. This is where you manage all aspects of your online presence, from themes to blog posts. Once you click on Online Store, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, you'll want to click on Pages. This section will display a list of all the pages that currently exist in your Shopify store. It's a great opportunity to quickly see what you have set up and to identify any gaps you might want to fill with new content. Once you're in the Pages section and you're ready to add a new page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see a button labeled Add Page. Clicking this will present you with text fields where you can begin to craft your new page. Here, you'll enter the page title, which is crucial because it's the first thing your visitors will see, and it should clearly convey the purpose of the page. The page content below the title is where you provide the main information you want to share. This could range from details about your company's mission to FAQs or return policies. Make sure to write content that is engaging and informative, keeping your audience in mind. Now, if you have an existing page template that you'd like this new page to mimic, look towards the bottom right of the screen. There's a drop-down menu available that allows you to choose the template you'd like to use. This can save you time and help maintain a consistent look and feel across your website, which is particularly beneficial for branding purposes. After you've filled out the necessary details and selected an appropriate template, your final step is to save your work. Clicking the Save button, cement your new page into the framework of your Shopify store, making it available to your future visitors. That's really all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can add new pages to your Shopify store, expand your online presence, and provide visitors with more comprehensive information about your offerings. Keep experimenting with your setup, and don't hesitate to add more pages as your store grows and evolves.